Hello and good evening. I hope you're well, Mrs. I hope you had a great day and a fantastic weekend. I'm really glad I bumped into you on Saturday night. Actually, I did mention CC's to Missy and she's buzzing, so I'm going to get on the ball with that this week and get inquiring because that just solves all our problems. So thank you. So last week, summary of the week, need to complete yet. Overall, good week in terms of exercise, but your water is shocking. Okay, well, you're aware of that, so that's a start anyway. And you're honest about that, which is good. So this week just flew by for you. Felt like you didn't get enough time to make changes looking back. Work has been stressful. This is our performance review week, so you've had to be doing a lot of documentation and stressful meetings. Busy week. So we have seen a drop in the scales, albeit half a pound, but it's still half a pound. Considering busy and stressful week, we have made progress on the scales, which is fantastic. I'm just going to have a quick scour through everything. Training done, progress and all, fucking brilliant. Cardio done. Steps just shy of the 10. I think I put your steps up to 10k. Double check that. So food's looking good. All good in the hood. Scroll. Do you know, I know I really need to delete some of those, but I hate losing any data in case I need to refer back, which is very rare, but I still like to have that. Right. Where did that go? I do want to add in a third cardio session. Don't kill me. But I was thinking about this and I know you've got the bike. So could we potentially do one of those sessions on the bike at home? Get that third in. You know, we're clearly, obviously, we're in a deficit, but we want to create a bigger deficit so rate of loss increases, and we just keep the ball momentum going here, and that's why I want to add in a third. So if you can get 2 by 30 done on the stairs and your third's done on the bike at home, that just takes a little bit of pressure off because you can do that then in your own time. You don't have to be at the gym, fucking 6 days a week. So let me know your thoughts on that. Ideally, that is the route that I want to take rather than pull away from food or increase steps further. Because last week obviously was a struggle, not a struggle. You weren't far off 10k, but we do want to be seeing that daily. So what we may need to do is get up, a little bit earlier in the morning and get a walk in before work, especially if we're being seated at a desk a lot of the day. I know you said you had to do a lot of documentation, so I'm assuming that was all sort of desk bound, hence a couple of the lower days. No issue there come the weekend. On days where you are seated, trying to get up and regularly and just clocking up a few steps, going out on your break, early morning, post work, late at night. 2 dogs or 3 dogs to walk now. Is it three? Has it got three? Um, so yeah, do that for me and let me know your thoughts on that first of all. We don't want to be adding any more pressure, but hopefully this week is a little less stressful for you in terms of workload. We can see where you were the busiest anyway, where stress was high, and then obviously that dropped off coming the weekend, which is great to see. But we do, again, another thing is keeping stress to a minimum. And I know at times, obviously, that's just unavoidable with your line of work and your position as well. Um, Water. It's not the worst. We're getting on average 2 litres per day, but I know you can do better than that. So that is a focus this week going forward. Food, no issue at all. Where's hunger? There we are. Hunger's been pretty average. So, there is room there for maneuver in terms of your food. But I want to keep it as high as possible for as low as possible. High as possible for as long as possible. I'm going now. That's all I have to add. So yes, let me know your thoughts on that. If that's doable for you. If not, really don't want to take away from food. Not yet. Not yet. So do try your best to get that third session in. As I say, we're in a deficit. We just want to make it larger. Just to continue to encourage fat loss and rate of loss as well. So drop me a message, let me know your thoughts. Have a fantastic week. Keep killing it, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.